This video shows how you can make changes to inspections when using the PalmTech app. With the PalmTech app, you can copy, paste, rename, and delete both lines and categories. These options give you the ability to delete, rearrange the order of, and add in new lines and categories. Let's see how this works. We'll start with lines. Let's say we want to add a new line in for fountain. We'll do this by copying an existing line, pasting it, and then renaming it to fountain. Let's copy the driveway line. We can copy a line by tapping the edit button to the right of it and then tapping the copy button that appears. Now that it's been copied, we need to paste it. This is done by tapping the edit button again and then tapping the paste button. We now have two driveway lines. The last thing we need to do is rename the second driveway line to say fountain. To do this, we'll tap the edit button and then tap the rename button. We'll change the line name to fountain and then tap on close when finished. We now have our new line for fountain. You can rename any line in the inspection the same way. Let's say we want to rename the steps and stoops line to say steps. All we have to do is tap on the edit button and then rename button. We'll make our changes and then tap on close. The line has now been renamed to steps. We can delete a line by tapping the edit button and then tapping the trash can icon. A message appears that says, "Are you sure you want to delete this line?" Let's tap on yes. As you can see, the line has now been removed. The last change you can make with lines is changing the order of them. This is done by using copy and paste and then deleting the original. Let's move the porch line to be below driveway. To do this, we'll first copy the porch line. Then we'll paste it below driveway. The last thing we need to do is delete the original porch line. The line has now been removed. That is a look at the changes you can make to lines when using the app. Let's tap on the back button to go back to Choose Category screen and take a look at making changes to categories. Categories are edited the same way as lines. You simply tap the edit button to the right and make the desired changes. Let's quickly run through a few examples. First, let's say that we don't want the outbuilding category, so we'll delete it out. We'll tap on the edit button and then tap on the trash can icon. It has now been deleted. Now let's say we want the roof category to be below lots and grounds. First we'll copy it. Next we'll paste it. And then finally we'll delete the original roof category. The last change we'll make is we'll rename garage carport to garage. We'll tap on the edit button and then tap on rename. We'll make our change and then tap on close. It is now called garage. Changes you make to an inspection on the app will only impact this inspection. Permanent changes to your template should be done on your PC. Once you make the changes on your PC, you can then easily move the updated templates to the app. For more information on how this works, watch the video called Creating Your Own Templates. This concludes a video on making changes to an inspection with the app.